Welcome everybody. Today we are going to study about the transition element. TRANS transition element. First of all, before starting the transition element, in a brief way, uh, we need to know what are transition elements. Which element are not the transition elements? I think you have known or studied about the substances like copper, silver, zinc, iron, mercury, etc. Those substances, these heavy metals like iron, copper, etc. are transition elements. These elements are known as transition elements because they belongs to the D block, and the elements that are the heavy metal elements are mainly classified into the D block group. The D block element are called transition element because they exhibit transitional behavior between highly reactive ionic compound forming S block element in one side and mainly covalent compound forming P block element on other side. We know that transition elements are mainly T block element. They belongs to the group D of the periodic table, and they exhibit transitional behaviors between highly reactive ionic compound forming S block element in one side and mainly covalent compound between P block element on other side. Means here is S block element, and this is P block element, and the middle parts it is transition elements, that is D block element. Because it shows the because you are known that the D block element are transition because they exhibit transition behavior because it shows the behavior of S block element also and the element of P block also. It shows both the behaviors. Sometimes it shows S block element behavior and sometimes it shows P block element behavior. and this d block element or transition elements are d block element are classified into 4 series. Here means that the periodic table elements are mainly classified into different groups. So by this way, the transition elements are also divided into d block element. That is, the transition elements is classified as d block element, and the d block element are also classified as 4 group. We need to that periodic, likewise the periodic table, like the periodic table, classified into different groups such as metal, non-metal, and active metal, non-active metals, and many more. The transition elements are also classified there as a d block element, and the transition element or d block element are also further classified into 4 groups. We are known as first group, second group, third group, and first group, first transition series, and second transition series, third transition series, and fourth transition series. They are first transition series. Also known as 3D series. The elements in this 3D series are from elements from SC scandium Z equals to 21 to zinc Z equals to 30. Means the 21 to 30 elements are classified as 3D series, are classified as first transition series, are also known as first transition series. It is in the fourth period of periodic table. And this is another second transition element. Second transition elements are also known as 4D series, and elements from yttrium, 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 that which is Z equals to 39 to CD, and this is the symbol. Its name is cadmium. CD, Z equals to 48. These elements from Y yttrium Z equals to 39 and CD cadmium Z equals to 48. These elements are classified as second transition elements, and it is in fifth transition, or it is in fifth period of periodic table. If we look at the fifth period of periodic table, then you will find about this element in brief way. And the third transition element, that is fifth series or 5D series. Third transition element and 5D series. Your elements from lanthanum, that is La Z equals to 57, to elements from L z equals to 57 as I z equals to 72 to as z equals to 80. These are in it lies in sixth period of period table. If you look at the sixth period, then you will find about this elements, and we know that L equals to lengthenium. Then what is HI? HI is hafnium, 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 and you usually know about this. Hg is mercury. We have totally known about the third transition elements, and we are going to know about the fourth transition element also. And fourth transition element is also known as 60 series. Your element from AC z equals to 89 and beyond KU z equals to 104, and it is in the last period, that is seventh period of periodic table. If you look at the seventh period, then you will know about this element of periodic table. Sixth period of year, we have written elements, that is table. Now we will talk about some one times about it. First about transition element. What are transition element? We need to know first about this. I think you have known about the iron, Fe, copper, Cu, silver, Ag, gold. I will write about it here. Ag, silver, Au, gold, Zeta and zinc, and many more. These all elements are transition element, or also known as happy elements. Oh, it lies in this all elements or transition elements or happy elements. This lies in D block element. You can look at the periodic table if you have here. If you look at the D block, then you will finally find about the elements of D block. These all D block elements are the transition elements or happy element. Here I have shown in diagram the D block element or transition element. It shows the behavior of either S block element and also the P block element. Means it lies in between. It shows the criteria, or it shows the characteristics of both the S block elements and p block element, so it is in the between of the s block and p block element, also known as transition element, d block element. Sometimes it shows some behaviors of s block also, and sometimes it shows the behavior of p block also. Now the d block elements and periodic tables are also classified into the various series. They are first transition element, first transition series, 3D series, second transition series. Second transition series, here we have written elements, this is series, and third transition series, and also fourth transition series. First transition series, that is 4D series, in with the element from y equals to z equals y, z equals to 39 to CD cadmium, z equals to 48. It is always lied in fifth period element. That's the y is first transition element, that is SC, scandium, z equals to 21 to z and zinc, z equals to 30. These elements are first transition series, and this lies in first 3D series, that is scandium, z and 21 to zinc, z equals to 30. Means scandium to zinc, these all elements lies in 3D series, and it always lies in fifth period of period table. If you have period table, then you can easily look about this. The element of fifth period, fourth period of period tables are all first transition element. Then we are talking about second transition element or second transition series, 4D series, where the elements from y yttrium to CD cadmium, these elements from z equals to 39 to z equals to 48, it all lies in fifth period of period table. And also the third transition elements, also known as 5D series or third transition series or 5D series, in which the third transition series element from La means lanthanum, and including the lanthanum, we have also hafnium, lanthanum 57, then rest of all, then excluding all this, then we automatically goes to z equals to 72, hafnium, and after hafnium to Lg, mercury. All elements from z equals to 72, z equals to 80, all these elements are third transition elements, and it always lies in sixth period. If you look at the sixth period, you will automatically find about this third transition element. And fourth transition series or 66 series element from AC, z equals to 89 and beyond. And beyond it, and beyond Ku, z equals to 14, all these elements are fourth transition series elements, or also known as 60 series. If you want to do something regarding this, you can also look at here, and I'm going to show you the 3D series, 4D series, and 5D series elements. You can look here, 3D series, scandium, titanium, vanadium, and up to zinc, all these elements 21, 22, z equals to 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. These are IZ values. These all elements with their symbols SCT, IB up to Z10. All these elements are 3D series elements, and we go to the 4D series elements. In 4D series elements, you can look at here. In 4D series, you can see yttrium zirconium up to cadmium, all these elements 39, 40, 41, 42, all these elements that its value Z atomic number. You can know we have already studied that it is the value of Z or atomic number. It is denoted as Z. 39, 40, 41, all these elements are in 40 series, and symbols ignium Y, zirconium ZR, cadmium CD, all these elements their symbols is also written. After that we go to the 5D series elements. In 5D series elements we can see their lanthanum with Z equals to 57, symbol La, hafnium Z equals to 72, symbol HF, tantalum, I think pronunciation made mistake, Z equals to 73, symbol Ta. All these elements are uh, 5D series element. If you want to write it, you can also copy it in here. And I am going to show you also some elements of 5D series. Here are the other elements of 5D series with iron up to mercury, gold, mercury, platinum, iridium, osmium with the Z value, and their symbols are also given here. I think we have learned something today. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and like the channel. Thank you.